পূবে পশ্চিমে উত্তৰে দক্ষিণে ঐ বিহু কোন ফালে আহে ঐ লাহে লাহে ঐ বিহু কোন ফালে আহে ঐ কলিজা
This is the season of spring, the season of Bihu. It's the season of welcoming the state festival of Assam, the Rongali Bihu. It is the festival that fills the hearts of Assamese people with joy and merriment. The touch of spring has spelled magic to Mother Nature with a plethora of fruits and flowers. Amidst this beautiful atmosphere of nature at its abundance enters Rongali Bihu during the time that marks the end of Sot month and beginning of Bohag month, called as Dumahi or Sankranti. The people of Assam starts their preparation of welcoming the age-old festival of Bihu towards the end of the previous month of Bohag. The minds of Assamese youths and old are filled with enthusiasm. The people of Assam gets their dhol, dal, bepa, gogona readied for welcoming their favorite festival of Bihu. Ushering in of the spring festival of Bihu brings in a joyous environment. The most significant part of Assamese handloom, the floral gamusa, used during Bihu is also known as Bihuan. There is an age-old custom of presenting Bihuan to the elderly people during Bihu as a mark of showing respect. Assamese women weaves the gamusa in their handlooms to present it during Bihu. The gamusa plays a very significant place in Assamese society. The Assamese ladies starts preparing various kinds of pithas with rice powder, jaggery, sesame and coconut. They make til pitha, narikol pitha, khila pitha, bor pitha, coconut and sesame larus or sweets for the celebration of Bihu festival with pomp and splendor. The agrarian Assamese society also indulges in foods like sira, flattened rice, muri, akhoi and hurung, puffed rice and handoh, rice powder, during the festival of Rongali Bihu. The commencement of Bohag Bihu thrills the minds and hearts of Assamese youth to express spontaneous happiness in the form of Bihu songs and dance.
নিৰঞ্জনৰ ঘৰৰ পৰা ঘৈণীয়েকক 100 টকা দি ফুচুলাই লৈ আহিছে ভালে কৰিলি বুজিছ এই মোকো দুডালমান শাক লাগিব বহিলো তোমাৰ দুটা মিলি মিলিয়ে কৰিম মঞ্জু মঞ্জু পিৰা দুখন লৈ আছো খকান ইয়াতে বহিবলৈ ভাল হ'ব বুজিছ এইফালে নিদিবি ৰ'দ পৰিছে হেৰি নহয় মঞ্জু এই ডলাতে এইবোৰ পাচলিবোৰ কি আছে লৈ আছোন চাটখন বনাবলৈ এইফালে দাদাই কাটিব তই কাটচোন মই টুকুৰা পাওঁতে আছে মই লৈ আহিছোঁ বোৱাৰী এই নাতিজনী নাই নেকি হয় নেকি এইখিনি বনাই থৈছিলোঁ কালিয়ে বুজিছ এই লাও পাবলৈ নাই বুজিছেনে আজিকালি ভাল লাও লাগিছে চাই লাগিছে বাৰীত যি লাগিছে এইবোৰে পাবি এই সৰু সৰু কল বুজিছে নাই সৰু কল এই শাকটো দেখিবলৈ ধুনীয়া হ'ব তেতিয়া নহয় জানো এই হ'ব হেৰি কৰিবি মোৰ গৰু 5টা দুডলীয়া এডাল দিবি 3ডলীয়া এডাল দিবি বাঁহ লৈ আহিছোঁ দেখিছ এইকেইডাল যিমান হয় হ'ব নহ'লে বনাই ল'বি দুইটা আৰু লাগি যা
Goru Bihu is celebrated during the end of Sot and beginning of Bohag month. It is also known as Sankranti or Dumahi. Bihu is an agricultural festival and cow plays a very significant role in agriculture. Hence, during Bihu, cows are bathed with turmeric and lentils paste for good health and longevity.
Bosore, bosore, bari ja. বয়সেৰ সৰু তই হবি বৰ গৰু
After that, cows are gently stroked with makhiloti and digloti leaves to protect them from mosquitoes and other insects. Cows are then fed with rice pithas and are blessed to be strong and energetic for the year. On Sankranti, there is also a tradition of Jak Diya in evening in every household even today to get rid of various kinds of insects throughout the year. The tradition of applying jetuka or henna on the palms by Assamese girls is very popular during Bihu amidst fun and laughter. During Sankranti, the old and elderly people of Assamese community gets together in the Namghor, a prayer hall, and prays to God for blessing everyone for the year ahead and to seek a place in heaven after the soul departs.
ঐ সততে সপৰি ঐ বহাগত বাবৰি ঐ জেঠতে আমন আধাৰ ঐ গৰু বিহু দিনা ঐ লবি আশীৰ্বাদে ঐ তেহে পাবি বৈকুণ্ঠত স্থান
নাচনি বহি দিল দলং হ'ল নাচনি কাঠ পিঠি চলং নাচনি ঢবলাঙত দিতে চন ঢবলাঙত দিতে চন মনিয়া মনি চিন্তানো নকৰিবা চিন্তানো নকৰিবা লখিমপুৰলৈ যাবলৈ আমাৰে সুবিধা
On the day of Sankranti, there is also a very old tradition of having a dish made up of 101 vegetables. This dish is believed to have medicinal properties. The day after Goru Bihu, Manu Bihu is celebrated. The dreams and aspirations, feelings and emotions, and vigor and enthusiasm of Assamese community gets expressed through the celebration of Bihu festival. The first day of Rongali Bihu marks the first day of Assamese New Year. On that day, as per customs, people bathe in turmeric and lentils paste and wears new clothes. After that, they get together and relishes various types of delicacies known as pithas. On that day, parents and elderly people at home are presented with gamusa to seek blessings from them for a great year ahead. During this period of a joyous atmosphere, the young Assamese girls adorn themselves with beautiful dresses called sadar mekhela and jewelries. They also wear orchids or kopu full in their hairband and apply a natural lipstick from plants called as borhomthuri. The endless charm of Rongali Bihu spreads happiness in the heart of every Assamese. Whether it is beneath the trees or in the open field or near to the rivers and streams, the sound of dhol, bepa, gogona played by the youth fills the atmosphere with rhythm and music. The dhol plays a significant role in Bihu. According to folklore, the sound of dhol, resembling the sound of thunder, could bring rains to the lands. During Rongali Bihu, the young Assamese boys and girls sings Bihu songs and performs Bihu dance in the open field or near to the rivers and streams. During this time, the young girls offers Thuriya Tamul Pan, wrapped betel nut and leaves, to young boys of their choice. Young boys, on the other hand, puts on orchid or kopoful on the girl's hair, showcasing their choice of partners for a new beginning. During Bohag Bihu, there is also a practice of performing Husori in every household. The young Assamese boys performs Husori by singing Bihu songs and dance in every household and blesses them for their good health, happiness, progress and prosperity for the year ahead.
Madhuri kete ki mole molai oi Gobindai Ram. Hey, Devtar Poduli Gunai se Madhuri kete ki mole molai oi Gobindai Ram.
আছে
ধৰিছো এয়াতো
হয় ভালে আছে দুৱাইটো নহয় জানো
এই ঠিকে আছে
বিহু বুলি আহিলো
দুটাই নধৰিব
জয় ৰাম বোলা
জয় হৰি বোলা
জয় হৰি বোলা
জয় ৰাম বোলা
লাই
মাজে মাজে লফাদালি দালি লাই মাজে মাজে লফাদালি দালি লাই মাজত পুতৰা তাৰ মাজত পুতৰা মূৰ চুলি সমান আশীৰ্বাদ কৰিছো মূৰ চুলি সমান আশীৰ্বাদ কৰিছো গৃহস্থ কুশলে সেৱকীৰ মনৰ বাঞ্ছা পূৰণ কৰি হৰি বোলা হৈছে তোৰ উঠক
The very identity of Assamese society lies in its culture and tradition that in itself is an amalgamation of various caste, creed, community and tribes. May this rich cultural diversity of Assam flourish through eternity.